What's important for a company when they are about to choose a CRO for the study?
To conduct a clinical trial is a very complicated process, and you need a lot of multidisciplinary experts in order to achieve the quality that you want in the clinical trials. I'm thinking about examples like you need regulatory, pharmacovigilance, statistics, biometrics, and data management, clinical operation, medical writing, etc., just to mention a few. And you can't expect at the current situation that small companies is having all that expertise within the company themselves. So obviously they have to go out looking for a partner that can help them fulfill the holes in their expertise. So what they're actually looking for, what the companies are looking for, is somebody that can complete all the expertise needed to conduct a clinical trial.